March 11, 2017, for a space program that has made great progress in recent years. Chandrayaan-1's early death was probably a disappointment. The Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, hoped that this lunar orbit, the first in the country, lasted 2 years when it was launched in 2008. But on August 29, 2009, barely 312 days into its mission, the contact with the probe was lost. Still, scientists could console themselves with the knowledge that they had completed 95% of the mission's primary science goals, according to the Indian Express. And on Thursday they received a second good news call. NASA researchers have found the probe that continues its silent orbit around the poles of the Moon. Chandrayaan-1 was our first interplanetary mission, and I am delighted that it has been found. The Chandrayaan sighting is not just good news for India. In pointing out the spacecraft, NASA has perfected a technique for tracking spacecraft that is likely to see the action again soon. Finding abandoned spacecraft and space debris in Earth's orbit can be a technological challenge, NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory said in a news release. The challenge grows as the size of the object in question decreases. In 2014, space policy expert Brian Whedon warned Congress that CubeSats, cheap satellites that can measure as small as 11 centimeters per side, posed a threat to other spacecraft. Their small size makes them difficult to track with conventional ones, he explained, keeping the ground controllers planning evasive maneuvers. Chandrayaan-1 measured a relatively voluminous 1.5 cubic meters. But it had ventured far beyond the low Earth orbit where most CubeSats fly. The Moon orbits Earth at a distance of almost 239,000 miles.